In this video, we're going to explore how to merge the efficiency and the power of AI-generated videos with the nuance and artistry of human creativity. This combination will allow you to create truly unique, impactful content that stands out in any settings. AI tools like Sora are incredible at automating tasks, saving time, and generating ideas. But the truth is, AI is as powerful as the creativity behind it. So here's why combining AI with human creativity is essential. First of all, personalization. AI-generated content can feel generic without a human input. Number two, emotional connection. While AI can create visually stunning content, humans excel at crafting stories that resonate emotionally. And number three, strategic thinking. AI automates the execution, but humans set a direction. And by blending these strengths, you can produce content that's not only efficient, but deeply impactful. So let's go into a bit more detail how AI and the humans complement each other. So what are the strengths of the AI? Number one is speed. AI generates videos in minutes, reducing time production. Tools like Sora handle repetitive tasks with consistency. Scale. AI makes it easy to produce content at volume. And creative suggestions. AI can inspire ideas you might not have considered. And what are the human strengths? Emotion and storytelling. Humans craft narratives that evoke feelings, contextual understanding. You understand your audience's needs and preferences. Strategic thinking. Humans define purpose and the impact of the content. And of course, aesthetic judgment. Your personal taste ensures that the final product aligns with your vision. And combining these strengths can be a game changer. These are the thoughts that I wanted to share with you. If you have any questions, let me know. But other than that, I'll see you in the next video.